the Yawning Fireflies. Tonight, let me take you deep into the quiet woods, where sleepy trees stretch their branches and the stars peek through leafy windows. It's where the Yawning Fireflies live. Tiny, glowing lights that sparkle when they're ready for sleep. Now, these weren't just any fireflies. No. These fireflies had a very important job. Each night, just before the moon rose high, they flew gently through the forest, spreading yawns to every sleepy creature. One little firefly named Luma was the tiniest and newest of the bunch. She flitted behind the others, glowing just a little dimmer and trying very hard not to fall asleep herself. She had one big job tonight: to bring a sleepy yawn to a restless baby fox who just couldn't seem to settle down. The baby fox named Fennel was tossing and turning in his den. He tried counting mushrooms. He tried humming to the moon, but nothing worked. "I just don't feel sleepy," he sighed. That's when Luma floated down, her tiny light blinking like a lullaby. She took a deep breath and let out the softest, sweetest yawn. Yawn. The yawn sparkled in the air like golden dust and drifted toward Fennel. He blinked. He stretched. He yawned back. Ah! His eyes grew heavy. His tail curled tight. Luma smiled, her first yawn delivered. The other fireflies gathered round, and together they lit the sky like sleepy stars. One by one, the forest animals blinked, stretched, and settled. Owls blinked slowly. Rabbits cuddled into mossy pillows. Even the trees seemed to sway a little slower. And Luma, she nestled on a soft leaf, tucked under a petal blanket, and whispered, "Good night, forest." And just like that, another magical beginning faded into a dream. Now, my little one, you too can close your eyes. Let Luma send a soft yawn your way. Yawn. Time to rest. Good night.